Good morning, everyone. This is Idaho Humvee. I am reporting to you from my driveway because why not? We're gonna do something a little different today. One, you get to see my buddy Loki over here. His first time in the ambulance. And two, we're gonna be taking a look at the Rustic Ridge Elk Hunter -35 sleeping bag because we need a sleeping bag for this boy. And in fact, he's gonna be laying roughly where it's gonna go. So we're gonna do a quick little unboxing here. And it'll be a little bit different, but give you initial impressions and what it looks like and all that, and we'll go from there. All right, so I just pulled it out of the bag, or out of the box rather. And you can see it already has Loki's approval. There's fur and dirt on here. Two handles and a decent little zipper. It's not YKK or anything, but still a decent little zipper. It's only about 17 pounds, just under. A little lighter than like my Browning bag, which is like, I'll say like 50, no, it's probably about 20 pounds. It's a heavy little bugger. This guy is highly compressed. Does have some compression straps on it, it seems. I apologize, I'm doing everything one-handed here. Nice little buckles, standard California cancer stuff on it. Like, hey, Prop 65. Stuff we do these days might give you cancer, surprise, surprise. But let me get this thing laid out. I'll take another look at it. All right, we have it laid out here. You can see it is pretty long. Has supposedly a cotton interior. It's not as thick as my Browning one, so we'll see if it really is rated a -35. Does have some neat little features here. You have a Velcro to cover over your zipper as it zips up. You can pull a cord to get your little mummy-ish kind of thing going on. It does have a pillow spot. It seems to be fairly resilient. Nothing too crazy on here. A Zippo for gear like your phone maybe, or keys. Something to keep with you. But I'll be honest, I have my doubts that it's a -35 bag. You might survive that with proper gear in addition to the sleeping bag. But have no fear, this boy is going to be comfortable no matter what. He is a cold weather dog. He loves the cold just like I do. I'm going to have Army sleeping pad underneath it, right here in the center. It'll be all bundled up, so it'll basically double up on different levels kind of thing. And you'll probably throw it off anyways, no matter how many times I put him in it. But assuming it gets way too cold, and even he is cold, I will have Mr. Buddy heater, and then not to mention this thing has a built-in diesel heater up here. So I think we'll be good as long as I don't run out of fuel. And if that fails, I'll have a sweater for him too. And if that fails, we're getting out of there and going home, because that's probably be like -20 at that point. But we'll see. But yeah, I just want to give a quick little review on this. The bag does seem to be a pretty decent one too. The sleeping bag does have, or sorry, the carry bag is a pretty decent one. The sleeping bag has 3 compression straps. We'll see if I can get it back into that here. Little pull cords on it, just chintzy little things, but what do you expect for the sub $200 market? But so far, I mean, I would probably treat it like a -15 bag. But stay tuned, we'll go camping hopefully in the next few weeks, start testing it out. I know it's still August right now, and I have a Gowan Thunder coming up in like 3 days, so I gotta start preparing for the air show. But I plan to go camping in the next few weeks, and it'll be up at higher elevation, so it will get cold at night. Not in the negatives, mind you, but colder. But yeah, until next time, Idaho Humvee. Right, Loki? Loki. Good boy.